Good morning, everybody. I'm here in Cheyenne, Wyoming. Had APU issues, so I'm here at the shop getting the APU looked at. The APU is the motor basically on the back of my truck that runs to keep the batteries charged. It runs all my inside plugs and all that when the truck is not running, lighting and all that. So it's pretty crucial. So we are here having it looked at. So yeah, it was a beautiful morning here in Cheyenne. I woke up and got some coffee and was sitting around the truck, and the sun started coming up. So I did a little time-lapse video of that. Probably already seen that, or you're gonna see it here shortly. But basically, we're gonna get the truck fixed and then see what's next from there. Someone's gonna actually come get my load, get them home, and so I'm gonna get something new. Hopefully something going a long way from here. Not that I don't like it here, it's beautiful here. I actually really like it here. But I don't get paid to sit in Cheyenne, Wyoming. Get paid when the wheels are turning, you're earning, right? Anyway, just wanted to say good morning, tell you what we're doing, and I'll let you guys know when I know more about where we're headed next, and we get the truck fixed. Cool. Hey, what's up, everybody? Hope you can see me alright. It's not super bright in the truck, but I think it's gonna be alright. Anyway, we're here in my truck. My truck is a 2014 Peterbilt 587. We are in the sleeper part of the truck, and I just want to do a real quick tour of the truck, I guess, if you will. Let's check it out. Like I said, we're in the sleeper section. I am sitting on my bed. This is where I sleep every night. People ask, do I sleep in a motel room every night? No. This is where I sleep. This is actually another bed here. You can unlatch it. It comes down and makes bunk beds. So there's that. Just got some storage here. I just have movies. Those aren't CDs, those are movies. See over here the storage space here. Somebody was kind enough to bedazzle that for me. I've taken it off the other side. I started over here but didn't get too far. I keep the windows, you'll see the covers over the windows. I keep those covered up because there's a lot of times where you have to sleep during the day, and so we keep those closed so I can block out the light. Got a curtain here. This pulls together, shuts it off, makes a little cave back here. See basically all the other side. There's my controls for my APU. You can see I got it set on 70 degrees. That's going to keep this in here nice and cool for me. Like I said, over here we got storage shelving. Over here on this side we have more storage. It has a clothes hanger in there, clothes rod, whatever you call it. So I hang clothes in there. Go up a little bit, kind of got some food section here. Got some bread, got some trash and some spare utensils, Cliff Bars, pretzels back there, and got a cup back there. Just more storage up there. Got my I use those bags for as trash bags. I hang them on the passenger armrest here. Over here, just more storage. Sorry about the mess. I'm still settling in here. Hat storage. Got some bags, some movies. Blah blah blah. Up there. Q-tip, shampoo, whatnot. Front of the truck, see, got the CB there, got the Qualcomm there. It's kind of the onboard computer system. In the passenger seat here is my cooler. It's an electric cooler. Nothing. Hey everybody, it's now about 8 o'clock local time here. We're still in Cheyenne. The original plan was to deadhead to Nebraska to pick up a load. Deadhead is when you're empty. You have a trailer, but it's empty. Excuse me. So the first plan was to deadhead to Nebraska, but here in Wyoming it got extremely windy today. They were having gusts up to 70 miles an hour in some places. and there was an advisory not to travel with an empty trailer. Empty trailer being too light, blow over too easy. So that idea did not work out. So now I'm waiting to meet up with another driver, and I'm going to take their load and go to Denver tonight, deliver early morning, and then I think there's one more stop somewhere else. So I've been trying to get some sleep. I'm sure if I look like I just woke up. Haven't actually been sleeping very much, but I've been trying. I've been resting anyway. So, like I say, it's about 8 o'clock. I'm about to...
You have 2 hours and 5 minutes of remaining drive time.
Sorry about that. I'm about to go take a shower and actually go to sleep, hopefully. Maybe get about 4 hours of sleep now. It'll get me to midnight, and then hopefully they should be here around midnight. And then I can leave out at midnight. I haven't really even looked. I think Denver's about 2 hours away. Honestly, I haven't even looked at I don't know exactly if it's going to Denver proper or what, so I haven't really even looked at it. But anyway, so slow day, not much at all happened today. Kind of like yesterday. It's been a slow start to my week, but just ironically, when I start the vlog, we sit in Cheyenne. But we'll get up and running. Still got plenty of time to put some miles down. So this is gonna be it for tonight. I'm gonna be signing off, and then I'll get back up in the morning, and next time we talk, next time I film, should be somewhere completely different, and we'll kind of start off with how many miles I ran overnight and things like that, and then I'll be sleeping most of the day, so or I'll have to shut down after so long. So anyway, that's what we're doing. That's what's up. So we got truck worked on today, and the highlight of the day was the sunrise, like I talked about. So it's about all you're gonna see today is me rambling on and sunrise. So anyway, that's it for today. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye.